This is the OX-Pro 15 litre tough bucket. It's used widely across the whole of the construction industry, and especially in today's world where you might have to go through health and safety briefing, signing through security, and then walking a long distance to your site. You cannot afford to have a bucket that splits or breaks halfway through your job, meaning you've got to leave the job site. So the tough bucket is made from high impact virgin polymer, which means that even when filled with water or heavy sand and you drop it, it still won't crack or split. It also has a number of other excellent features. You've got this handy pouring spout at the front here for accurately dosing your product. You've also got internal calibrations, so you can accurately dose your product either by putting a certain amount of plaster powder in or water to make sure you've got an accurate mix. There's a strong wire handle with a carry grip in the centre to complete the OX-Pro tough bucket.